Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we have something crazy here for you guys. Something that you guys always ask. Every time I do dry aging, you guys tell me, don't throw the trims away, do something with it. Come on with something. And we're coming out with something today, guys. We're gonna make hamburgers with this beautiful 60-day prime rib dry age that we made the other day. If you haven't seen the video, check it out here. The steak was amazing, the trimmings are here, I saved them. We're gonna ground these up and we're gonna combine them with some regular hamburger meat. But that's not it. We have the mighty, amazing Wagyu hamburgers from Walmart that we tried before. If you haven't seen that video, check it out here too. We know this is good. We're gonna be comparing these babies to these guys here and see what happens. But before doing that, guys, hook me up and subscribe to the channel. We're putting 2 videos online every week with a lot of information, a lot of fun, a lot of experiments, and a lot of crazy stuff. So subscribe to the channel, become part of the community, and don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. With all that said, guys, let's get into this. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to explain to you exactly what I did. I got these babies and I put them in water for about 10 minutes. I never done this, guys. I never find a video that explain how to do this. I don't know. I'm just going here with what I think would work. I put them in water for about 10 minutes and then after that, I just took them out, pat them dry, and here you have it. We're going to be cutting these in little pieces because they are pretty big for the grounding machine. And then we're going to ground these babies up and see what's up. After that, we're just gonna combine it with some regular hamburger meat that I have there. Then we're gonna make some patties with it and put them in the grill. I mean, that's the plan. Let's get into it. Oh boy, that machine had a hard time with this thing, but as you can see, it was able to handle pretty much everything. We have nothing left, and we have a lot of meat in here, guys. I mean, I thought it was going to be a lot less, but apparently it's a lot. Look at this. We can do a bunch of hamburgers out of this thing. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna mix this, at least a part of it, with some hamburger meat, and let's make some patties. Let's go. To open this baby. Look at this. This is good, brother. So you can see there is a lot of marbling in there, guys. This is looking amazing. I mean, if we compare them both, you can see the difference. This is the Wagyu. This is a dry aged one. Look at it. What do you think? Who's gonna be the winner? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix them up. I'm gonna come out with 2 big patties out of this. All right, so we are more or less on the same size with all the burgers. All right. I'm gonna get this one here. And we have this guy here. Look at all the amount of fat it has inside. Let's make a big burger out of this guy. So I'm making them big like that, so they are pretty much the same size as this one here, as you can see. And then we don't have anybody coming up. But Ninja, the size is not the same. That's not a fair comparison. And I tell you this, man, it's the same size. All right, so let's keep going. So here you have it, guys. We have the Wagyus here. We have the dry age there. They're looking beautiful, pretty similar sizes, pretty similar everything. I think this is a fair comparison. We still have 2 more here and some more meat in there too for later on. If it's good, we're gonna eat it for sure. As soon as I put them on the grill, I'm gonna put salt and pepper on them. That's all the spices we're gonna use. We really want to taste this thing. So it's time to light up that grill, man. Let's go. As you can see, the Wagyu ones are juicy as hell. These are not that juicy. And you know, the fire was so intense in the grill that I didn't have the time to let the cheese melt. But I mean, besides that, everything is looking good. The smell is amazing. It smells really good. So it's time to build these babies up. Let's go. Miss Ninja!
Coming!
Come over!
Almost done, almost done.
Ready to go, come on.
I'm coming, hold on.
What are you doing over there?
I was finishing my keto bread.
Ooh,
Yay!
that look fancy.
Isn't that nice?
That look good, man.
Oh, I forgot to take my apron off.
It's alright, leave it there. Miss Ninja, this is what we have here today.
What is it?
Do you remember that every time we do some dry age thing, everybody asks about the trims?
Yes.
Well, I grounded the trims and I made some hamburgers with it.
Really?
Yeah. So I don't know how it's gonna taste like. And I mean, it's a matter of giving it a try.
Okay, but I'm gonna use my keto bread.
Oh, no. We are gonna eat the hamburgers by themselves. So nobody here can complain about fairness, all right? We have 2 hamburgers there, and we have these 2 prepared here. I just did these ones for you guys to see how amazing it look.
It looks pretty.
But let's get the other ones. Nothing on it. No mustard, no ketchup, nothing. Plain. Just the cheese. And the spices.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so which one are we going to start first with?
Let's go start. I'm going to start with number A.
Obviously.
Come on, Miss Ninja.
Number A.
All right, let's get number A here. Oh, it doesn't fall apart. All right, Miss Ninja,
wow.
let me just...
Look how juicy.
Super juicy.
Okay.
We have number A here. All right, Miss Ninja, let's go for number A.
Let's
get your
go.
piece there.
Let me get my little piece here, guys.
Get my piece.
I know everybody always saying she's always chewing. I am a very slow eater.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Drive me crazy. All right, let's do it.
Let's go.
Oh, wow. Man.
That's good.
Wow. Wow. Miss Ninja. That's awesome.
Super juicy.
Mr. Georgie, I hook you up, bro. I hook you up, don't worry.
Wait a minute, honey.
Man.
Super juicy.
Wow.
Really tender.
Wow.
Beef flavor.
Talk about the flavor. This is crazy, man.
Okay.
Wow. I need a haircut.
Oh, yes, you do.
Need a haircut. All right, guys. Let's jump into number B.
Okay.
All right. Let's see. Number B doesn't fall apart. Let's go for number B.
Let's go for number B.
Let's go. Man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man.
Very strong flavor.
Super strong.
Super strong. I was going to say.
Can you feel the dry age? That number B is the dry age. Can you feel the dry age there?
Oh, yeah.
Number B, maybe this is my fault, okay? The grain is a little thick, and that's because I didn't pass it through again with the smaller setup on the grinder machine. But it's really good, man. It tastes really good, of course.
Very intense.
The difference is the juiciness. Wagyu hamburger is amazingly juicy. It's crazy good. It is, man, my number A is delicious, brother.
And sisters.
Wow, number A is right there, guys.
Yes.
Now, I'll tell you this. If I don't have a Wagyu and you give me that hamburger is better than a regular hamburger. The dry age hamburger is better than any regular hamburger you can eat out there. It's really good. I like it a lot. Would I go out of my way to eat the dry age hamburger? I will pay a little bit more for it. It's worth it.
Would you?
Would I go out of my way to go for the Wagyu burger? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Wagyu burger is really cheap, guys. You get those 3 pads for $5, all right? And from $5 to $7, I would say, in any place that you go. Meat the Butcher has those beautiful Wagyu hamburgers that are amazing too, a really good price, and you should check them out. But I'm telling you right now, that Wagyu is incredible, man.
It was super juicy.
So there you have it, guys. I think the Wagyu burger is supreme. It's amazing. I think the dry age burger is pretty good. I would do it again if I can. If I have to, I'm not going to go out of my way to do it. But if I have the streams in there and I don't have anything else to do with it, I would do it. Now, let's stop talking about burgers and let's talk about the shout-out share.
Shake it.
That's not how you do it.
That's it. Just get one, bro.
Let me get one, bro. Got one here. All right, we have our winner here. Let's see who it is. Wendy Mussolini. Wendy.
Come on,
Wendy.
sister.
Wendy.
Welcome, Wendy.
You have some Wagyu burgers here, girl.
Oh, yes.
You're gonna love this thing. It tastes it's so juicy. All right, guys, that's all for today. If you like the video, please hit it with a like.
Lots of likes.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, man, because this thing is good.
Oh, yes, it is. And don't forget to hit the bell.
I would subscribe to the channel like 10 times already. I would do that thing. I would subscribe and subscribe again and subscribe again and subscribe again.
You can't do that, Ninja.
And if you want to learn anything about what we do here, all the information and everything is in the description. Please let me know if you've done this before. Please put in the comments, what do you think about this experiment? Did you try those Wagyu burgers? Did you like them? Man, this is good stuff, guys. That's all for today, guys. But remember that I love you.
We love you.
I hate you. Ah! Oh my God. That's crazy.
Our neighbors are gonna be